All right, so I got a pretty crazy video for you guys today. Went to the Adidas employee store. They had some stuff that I never ever would have expected that they had there, but pretty insane little trip. So I wanted to share it with you guys. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. What is going on, guys? Hes here, and if you guys don't follow me on social, at heskicks on Twitter and Instagram. If you guys haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and if you're down there, hit that like button as well if you enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in shopping the best deals that I can find for you guys on the internet, check out Collective Kicks, linked always in the description. So let's just get into this video. Basically, I went down to the Adidas employee store, which I haven't been to since February or so, since I was in office. And I've still been working remote since February. So I actually went down there because I got a heads up that they might have some special product in. I didn't know what product it was, and I didn't know if it was full price or half price, but I was like, it's worth making the gamble and heading down there. So I actually packed up the wife and the kids, and we went down to the Adidas employee store as a family, which was just craziness because Harrison's running around. I was trying to carry all these boxes around because we didn't have any bags in the store. But anyway, without waiting any further, you could see that they had some special boxes there. And I was like, wait, what could these possibly be? And so I had no idea that they were actually going to be getting some of these, but I'll show you guys what we picked up here. All right. As if I needed more Adidas sneakers, because I just did like 2 videos back to back with 3 different unboxings of some that I got recently. But they actually had Yeezys at the employee store, which is just absolutely crazy. Now, they were full price. They weren't discounted, which is unfortunate, but obvious. Like, they weren't going to be discounting Yeezys there. But you don't even understand, like, we never get Yeezys at the Adidas employee store, like, ever. This, I think, is the first time ever that they've had them, especially in the quantities that they had them. They had a lot of them available in store for purchase, which is crazy cool to be able to see. Like, they had a bunch of them, limit 2, but since I had my wife there with me, I was able to pick up 4 pairs. They had these in stock, dudes. At first I saw them, I'm like looking at them, I'm like, huh. I'm like, what? Which colorway are these? Because like at first I thought it was this colorway, and then I thought it was this colorway, but it's not. It's the natural colorway. So this one just released, which is even crazier that they had a pair available in the employee store that just dropped. If you guys actually want a detailed review and comparison between the other shoes, drop a like on the video and leave a comment, and I'll be doing that video maybe later in this week for you guys if you guys want to see it. But I thought this was crazy to be able to pull up and buy a pair. Now the resale on these are nothing crazy as far as I've seen, so maybe retail isn't a come up for some people, but for me, like, I struck out. Actually, I tried to get them on the Adidas app, I tried to get them online, and I actually didn't get them. So when I saw them there, I was like, no way, dudes. Like, so I instantly doubled up on my own. I actually got my wife a pair too, just because I wanted her to be able to enjoy the 350s. Who knows if she's actually going to like them or not. And then I got an extra pair for a friend. But pretty insane that they got these in. And so I ended up buying a couple of different pairs, as you could see here. And just to show you guys that they're not empty boxes, as you can see here are the pairs right here. So a pretty crazy day at the Adidas employee store. But then I saw a couple other pairs. I was like, man, I guess I need to buy some of these too. So I honestly only got this many because this is all I could carry. There was like no more that I could get because there was a couple other new models here and there that I wanted to try that I didn't get. So maybe next time. But bought a pair of, oh yeah, got a pair of these, man. If you guys saw my recent video of these 4Ds, which are available on Adidas website, and I'll link them in the description again. Kind of a sleeper right now, $220 retail, 4D technology on the Ultra Boost upper. The Ultra 4D is super nice. But in this video, I mentioned I got rid of my winter ready Ultra Boost that I just recently got and really liked. And the reason why is because they had a 30% off coupon. I tried to apply the coupon the next day after I was promoting and telling people about it. And then next thing you know, it was removed from the sale. So I returned a pair. And then I was like, oh man, I totally missed it now. So even better, they had these at the employee store for half price. And they had the triple black colorway as well in select sizes. But since I haven't actually seen this one, I actually was like, yeah, this one's kind of dope. It's a silver colorway with a little bit of an orange trim. Not near as wearable as that triple black colorway. But again, since I just got these, like if I want a triple black vibe on feet, I have multiple options out there now. I don't have any that are kind of this color, so I was like, I might as well just get them. 190 at retail, and again, since I got them for half price this time, I was like super stoked that I got them for a discount. So I got the winter ready joints back in the collection in a different colorway, and I will have a video pretty soon, I think, of like top winter waterproof sneakers and stuff like that. And so these ones are probably going to be in that list because this is pretty good. But anyway, got those ones, and then the last pair I got here as well. This is the only one that I was kind of like on the fence on buying. And then I had a vision, so I was like, yeah, maybe I'll get them. And they were half price as well. And we have the Washington version of the Ultra Boost 1.0 knit pattern here. And they had them there, but obviously I'm an Oregon State fan because I'm an alumni there, not a Washington fan. This one actually has removable Velcro on the tongue here, so you can take off the W here. But I figured I'd go ahead and try to convert these into maybe like a Thanos inspired shoe, because I actually have a bunch of different Thanos inspired Velcro tabs. So check this out. So since I have those Thanos patches, I was like, I might as well just have a Thanos Ultra Boost instead. So that's why I bought these. I was like, that's kind of rad. Just, I don't know why. Just kind of fun. Just fun to just make a little twist to what the shoes are. The insoles still say Washington, but it is what it is. But that's what I ended up getting, man. The Adidas employee store for the win, man. Probably my best haul. I've got a lot of hauls through the years there. I always love going there. The staff is always friendly. And I shout out to the staff right now, especially. You got to give those people props, man. They're working really hard. They all have to wear masks, and it's not a very fun environment to be working in right now. In fact, the Adidas employee store is probably the only business that's open right now in office at Montgomery Park where it's located. Yeah, so shout out to those guys for working hard and sticking with it, because it's not an easy job right now for anybody out there that's actually showing up with masks and stuff and wearing them for extended times. I felt a little bit crazy just wearing it for like the hour that I was in there. So yeah, I respect to all those people that have to do that on a long extended basis. But anyway, had a lot of fun there. Got quite a few pairs, and just stoked that they actually had them in stock. I kind of mocked these originally. I was like, yay, finally a earth tone Yeezy that's releasing. But saying that, I was still going to actually end up buying a pair, because personally I like earth tone and natural light tone sneakers in general. But since I struck out on them, it's even that much sweeter that I was able to get them so quickly from the Adidas employee store. So yeah, man, pretty crazy. Shout out to Soto again for giving me the heads up. He was the first person. Then I got a bunch of other people to let me know. But man, really cool to see. Have a good rest of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys want to see a detailed review of these, drop a like on the video, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll do like a Yeezy video like later in the week. Just a heads up as well, if you guys missed my review video previously of these, I did a video on both of these that drop. I can't believe I got both of these. They didn't have these at the employee store, otherwise I would have scooped double up, because these are really, really good. Man, I'm stoked that they actually retroed these just because I missed them originally. But both of these are actually available to buy still right now in full size runs almost. I'll link them in the description as well. You can go over to Adidas site and shop. But man, these are really, really good. The wool maroon joints, or the burgundy, and then the olive 1.0s as well. Bringing back some of the classic stuff 5 years later, and it's nice to be able to see that they look pretty good in pretty nice form. But we'll leave it at that, though. Thank you guys again for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day out there, and we'll see you hopefully back for some more videos. Peace, guys.